are having.
Don't make me look fat. How you got a bowl of fruit and you give me pizza roll?
I'm gonna say that this is what we're eating for lunch.
That's so wrong.
All right, for lunch today we're having a plate of fruit and some pizza rolls.
You're so wrong.
I'm just showing what we're eating. No, I
had the fruit plate first.
I know that. I'm just saying this is what we're eating together. This is not just mine. This is together.
Mm-hmm.
Just to clarify. Brian, I'm Lawrence. This is my wife,
Dyonna.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
How was your drive?
It was
Good.
pretty good.
Pretty smooth.
About 6 hours.
The dog's following us. Like literally right behind.
This is a pretty level spot.
Okay.
You guys can turn around however you guys want.
Okay.
This is probably one of the most level areas.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. If you guys need anything, just give us a shout.
Okay, we'll do.
See you soon. Oh man, earlier when we looked at the weather it was like 75 degrees, but now it's what, in the 40s, 58. But we're at our harvest host right now. We got a van parked right there and we are all, I think we're the only ones here. The host told us that they have the most beautiful sunsets here and sunrises.
They ain't lie. It's pretty nice. Rapid. We need all the germs to be dead from that hose, water hose. Wow,
That's not as much as I thought. I put a lot of water in this pot.
dark chocolate, sea salt caramel fudge, cookies and cream fudge from Buc-ee's.
작전은 간단해 관심을 낚아챈다 애찬 방심은 환영이에요 팽팽한 월시 위를 당겼다가 넣으면 정확히 날아가 Boom straight into your heart 당연한 듯이 빠져들어 헤어날 수 없죠 단연해요 해요 There's no time
It's so petite. It's cute.